This is every chess tactic explained. Fork. One piece attacks two pieces at the same time. Your knight jumps in. Their king and queen are both under attack. They can only save one. You take the other. Knights are the best forking piece. They attack in patterns no other piece can reach. The classic fork. A knight that attacks both the king and the queen at once. Check and fork together. There's no good response. Forks don't need the king at all. A knight attacking two undefended rooks wins material just as easily. Pin. A piece can't move because moving it exposes something more valuable behind it. Your bishop attacks their knight. Behind the knight sits their king. Move the knight. The king is in check. So the knight can't move. It's frozen. This is an absolute pin, illegal to break, because moving into check isn't allowed. There's also a relative pin. The piece could legally move, but moving it loses something even more valuable, like a queen standing behind it. A pinned piece isn't just stuck. It stops defending everything it used to defend, attack it again, and it often can't be saved. Skewer. The pin, but the valuable piece is in front, not behind. Your rook attacks their king. The king has to move. Behind it, their queen, sitting on the same line, now exposed. King moves. You take the queen. Rooks and bishops on long open lines are the most common skewering pieces. Always check what's behind the piece you're attacking, not just what's in front. Discovered attack. You move one piece, and it reveals an attack from a completely different piece behind it. Your bishop sits behind your knight, both aimed at the enemy queen. You move the knight to capture something or give check. The bishop's attack on the queen is suddenly real. Two things happen on one move. This is one of the most powerful tactics in chess because the opponent has to deal with two threats, and usually can only stop one. The strongest version is a discovered check. You move one piece, deliver check with another, and the moving piece does damage at the same time. Double check. The most forcing move in chess. Two pieces give check at the same time. The king has only one legal response. Move. Blocking doesn't work. You can't block two lines at once. Capturing doesn't work. Capturing one checking piece still leaves the other. Double check almost always comes from a discovered check, where the moving piece also gives check. Because the king must move, double check often leads directly into combinations that win material or deliver mate. Zwischenzug, German, in between move. Normally, if your opponent attacks your piece, you respond to that threat immediately. Zwischenzug means not yet. Before responding, you make a different move first, one with its own threat. Often check or capturing something. Your opponent has to deal with your new threat first. Only then do you address the original attack, often having improved your position in the meantime. Fork, pin, skewer, discovered attack, double check, zwischenzug. 7 tactics. Every combination in chess is built from these. Now go find them.